Hi. In this video I want to show you how to add integers, addition of integers. Now for example, the first one you have like workout maybe remtech plus 3 plus 3. When you are adding integers with the same integers, first you have to add integers as normal. This is normal addition. Then the sign will be the sign of those integers. You add the integers as normal. Now it is 3 plus 3 to get 6. You have a positive sign. Now this is positive. Now plus 3 plus 3 will be plus 6. Then number 2. This is H, this is B. You have maybe minus 3 plus minus 3. Now also you have negative integer plus another negative integer. When you are adding the integers with the same sign, you have to add those numbers as normal. Now this is 3, this is 3. You have to add 3 and 3 to get 6. And you put the sign on the integer. Negative, now it is negative. Now when you are adding integers with the same signs, you have to add the numbers, you have to add the integers as normal. Then after you copy the sign and write the sign on the answer. Number C. Now we have negative or plus 3 plus negative yes. At this time we have different signs. This is positive, this is negative. Then we deal with numbers. When you are adding integers with different signs, you have to take a big number minus small number, and you will write the sign on the big number. So here you have 3. You have 3. Numbers are the same. Now you have to take one number minus another number. 3 minus 3 will be 0. And because you have equal number, there is no sign here. And 0 doesn't have positive or negative sign. 0 is neutral. There is no sign on 0. Now number D. Maybe you have like plus 5 plus negative 2. Here you have plus 5 plus negative 2. You have positive, you have negative sign here. So you will take the big number minus small number. 5 minus 2 will be 3. Then you write the sign on the big number, which is plus. Then plus 5 plus negative 2 will be plus 3. Let's have example number E. Maybe you have negative 5 plus 2. You will take the big number minus small number. Negative 5 plus 2. 5 is bigger than 2. Now it is 5 minus 2. You have 3, and you will write the sign on the bigger number. Now 5 is greater than 2, then the sign on 5 is negative. Now the answer will be negative 3. And you can have like example number F. Maybe you have negative 3 plus negative 4. We have numbers with different, with the same signs. So when we have the same signs, like here negative, negative, you have to add the numbers to have 3 plus 4, which is equal 7. Then you copy the sign because it is the same for all numbers. Now it is negative 7. Thank you for watching, and I think now you are able to add any integers. You can give different exercises you want for yourself and solve them, so you will be familiar with integers. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you in next videos.